Hello students, in this video we will continue exercise 5 of chapter 1 history from class 6, and this is your classwork also, and you will have to do in classwork assignment. So exercise 5 question answer. Question number 1 is, what do you understand by history? What is its importance for us? So answer number 1 is, history is the study of past. The word history comes from the Greek word historia, which means learning by inquiry. Full stop. History is not just a record of kings and queens, it is a study of human culture and civilization of all ages. Full stop. Importance of history. History is important in many ways. Point number 1, it helps us to know our past. Point number 2, it helps us to know about kings and statesmen. Point number 3, it helps us to gain knowledge of the continuous development of man's culture and civilization and origin of different languages. Full stop. Answer 1 has completed. Question number 2, what is the importance of the Vedas? So answer is, the Vedas are the most ancient religious texts which define truth for Hindus. Full stop. They got their present from between 1200 to 200 BCE and were introduced to India by the Aryans. Full stop. Hindus believed that the texts were received by scholars direct from God and passed on to the next generation by word of mouth. Full stop. Answer number 2 has completed. Question number 3. How important are travelers' accounts in the study of history? So answer is, a number of travelers visited to India from time to time and have left valuable political and social accounts. Full stop. Megasthenes in his book Indica throw a good deal of light on the Maurya administration and society. Full stop. Similarly, the Chinese pilgrims Fayan and Huansang visited to India in search of knowledge and Buddhist literature have left valuable account about the religious, social and political condition of India. Full stop. Answer number 3 has completed. Next, Hots. So question number 4 from Hots. How do coins help us in the study of Indian history? So answer is, a large number of coins belonging to ancient time have also been found. Full stop. They help us in fixing the dates of several dynasties. Full stop. They also help us in many other ways in the Indo-Bactrian and Indo-Greek period in India. Full stop. They tell us about the reigning period of kings, the economy of kingdom, the extent of a king's empire. So answer number 4 has also completed. Question number 4. Question number 5. Can you imagine how the lives of the kings were different from those of the farmers? Answer. So answer is, the kings, for instance, led a luxurious life in great palaces, while farmers lived in ordinary houses and found it difficult to make the both ends meet. Full stop. Next paragraph. Again, where the kings kept a record of their battles, courts, leisure and pleasures, the ordinary people, like the farmers, did not keep a record of what they did. So answer number 5 from Hots has completed. Next, exercise 6. Give reasons. So question number 1 from exercise 6 is, history is not considered a mere record of kings and queens. Answer. The answer is, that is because less than 1/2 of 1% of human beings have been members of royal families. Full stop. Most human beings are not royal and have had the most impact upon technology, medicine, education, industry, etc. And history is a much broader subject. Full stop. Question number 2 from give regions. India has faced many invasions from the northwest. So answer is India has faced many invasions from the northwest as the mountain passes in the northwest part of the Indian subcontinent were the only available land route for armies to come into India. Full stop. They provided a gateway through which the country could be reached and thus they become the means to launch invasion into India. So answer has completed and your classwork also has completed, or and all classwork you will have to do in classwork assignment. Next, this is your homework, and homework you will have to do in homework assignment or whatever. So your homework is, first homework, fill in the blanks you will have to write in homework assignment. Homework number 2 is exercise 7, distinguish between the manuscripts and inscriptions. Thank you.